Welcome to Saad Educare. Cambridge Primary Mathematics Learners Book 3. We are starting Unit 3 Exercise 3.3 topics money. Please note that we already solved 1, 2, 3 last video. You can get that video in the description box. Now we will start from 4. Let's start. One thing here is mentioned, think like a mathematician. So we have to finish this one first. Here is mentioned Zara has 2 different banknotes and 2 different coins in her pocket. Let's say 2 different banknote, one is $20, another one is $10. It's a different banknote. 2 different coins, here is quarter dollars. Quarter dollars means what? It's a 25 cent. Another one is 5 cent. 5 cent we can write 0.05. Okay, so here is 4 things. Our first question, how much money could she have? So here is $20 plus $10 plus 25 cent and finally 5 cent, right? So once we make summation, 20 plus 10 is a $30, right? And 25 cent plus 5 cent is a 30 cent. So our answer is $30.30. We can write this like $30 and 30 cent, and in decimal $30.30. Second question, what is the greatest amount of money that she could have? The greatest money is $20, right? Third one, what is the smallest amount of money that she could have? Smallest one is 0.05. It means 5 cent. Very interesting question. I hope you are understand this one. Now we will go our regular question. Here mention some children visit the school shop. The price of each item is shown. Here is eraser 26 cent, sharpener 30 cent, pencil 18 cent, pen 65 cent, highlighter 37 cent. Our first question 4a. Shumi has 50 cent. She buys a pencil and a eraser. How much does she spend? How much change will she have? So first, Shumi has 50 cent. Now she buys a pencil. A pencil price, what? Pencil price is 18 cent. And then an eraser. Price, what? Eraser price is 26 cent. Total spent how much? Here is 8 plus, we should summation. 8 plus 6 is a 14, carry 1, 1 plus 1 is a 2, 2 plus 2 is a 4. She spent 44 cent. How much change she had? So she has, how much? She had 50 cent minus 44 cent. This one she spent. So she has 6 cent. Clear? So here is 2 answer. First one is how much does she spend? She spent 44 cent. And How much change will she have? She have 6 cent. Number A, done. Number B. Birun has 90 cent. He buys 2 highlighter pens. How much does he spend? How much change will he have? Okay, so Borun has 90 cent. Okay, buy how many highlighters? He buys 2 highlighters. Buy 2 highlighters. Highlighter pens. So 1 highlighter price is 37 cent. So 2 highlighter price will be 2 times 37 cent. It means 74 cent. He already spent. He has 90 cent. So he has 90 minus 74 cent. So here is 6 and 1, 16 cent after change. Alicia has 75 cent. She buys 2 items and she has 12 cent. What does she buy? Find 2 different answers. First, we have to find out how much she spent. Number C. Alicia has 75 cent. She buys 2 items and she has 12 cent. So she spent 75 minus 12. It means 5 minus 2 is a 3, 7 minus 1 is a 6. So she spent 63 cent. Now we have to find out that thing. After summation, the result will be 63, right? So find 2 different answer. And what does she buy? She buy 2 items. So first one, look. So we can say she buys, it can be like, here is highlighters 37 cent and here is eraser 26 cent. So highlighter 37 cent and eraser it's a 26 cent. Total 63 cent, right? So if she buy 1 highlighter and 1 eraser, she will spend 63 cent. She has 75 cent. So 75 cent, look, 75 cent minus 63 cent, the answer will be 12 cent, which already mentioned, right? So this is the one answer. Here mentioned, find 2 different answer. Second one, look, here is mentioned thick felt pen 45 cent. We can write thick felt pen 45 cent. And another thing, pencil is a 18 cent. Pencil 18 cent. Look, Here summation also 63 cent. So if she want, she can buy a highlighter and a eraser, or she can use for thick felt pen or pencil. Both part the answer will be 63, and after change she will have 12 cent. I hope you clear this one. It's a very interesting math. Next question, it's a very interesting also. Here is a drink menu and Jamila buys a coffee, a soda and a milkshake with $10. It means Jamila has $10, right? So this is number 5A. Now our question is, how much does she spend? So we can write she spent. So first a coffee, which is $3. Then a soda for how much? $1.10. A soda, this one we can write by decimal, it means $1.10. Then a milkshake, how much this one? $3.25. So she spent 5, 3, 6, 7. She spent $7.35. So our first answer 1, how much she spent? $7.35. Second one, how much change will she get? She had 10 cent minus $7.35. So if you have any problem to find the answer, you can write $10.00, $7.35. So this is 10 minus 5 is a 5, carry 1, so this 3 become 4, so again 10 minus 4 is a 6, then this 7 become 8, so 2. She has $2.65. So we can write after change she has $2.65. Very simple. 5B, Liam has $5 to spend on 2 drinks. He does not like coffee. What could he buy? What change would he get? 5B. So 2 drinks. So he can buy 1 soda. Soda price is $1.10, and orange juice, which is $2.20. So total spent 0, 213 and 213, $3.30. So what could he buy? Can buy soda and orange juice. Total price is what? $3.30. 3.30. What change would he get? He has, after change, so first he has $5, no cent, and spent 3.30. So he has 0, here is 7, 1, so 5 minus 4 is a 1. $1.70. $1.70. It means $1.07. So I should stop in here because too much learning is not good for education. This video I am trying to solve 3 things. One is think like a mathematician. It's a very important question. Number 4, it's also very important because from here we can learn lots of things. And number 5 has 2 questions, number A and B. Next video we will start from number 6. Till then, take care and keep practice yourself. Practice is big factor than regular student. And also don't forget subscribe my channel Saad Educare. Thank you.